Hi, in this video I will show you how to create your own custom GPT in ChatGPT. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can click onto this Explore GPTs that we can see right here when you're on the OpenAI or the chatgpt.com website. From in there you can see in here some GPTs that you can use, but for this case just click onto this create option. However, do take note that in order to create your own GPT, you need to have or get the plus option right there. Now, it's actually relatively easy since it just functions as a regular GPT. So you can just head over and then send them a prompt, and ChatGPT can actually guide you in creating your own GPT. So for this one, I actually sent something like this, and then from in there, just send it, and it will respond just like that. We have in here these patterns, and it will simulate that particular prompt, example exchange, and then it will ask if you would like to set up. So let's input right here, yes. And then from in there, here's a few simulation of the actual part of that right there. So that's how you create your own custom GPT in ChatGPT. Hope we help.